YouTube automation has become one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. And thanks to artificial intelligence, it's now easier than ever to start a faceless YouTube channel without showing your face or even recording your voice. AI-powered tools can help you generate video ideas, write scripts, create voiceovers, and even edit videos, all without the need for expensive equipment or prior experience. Whether you're looking to build a side hustle or a full-time income stream, leveraging AI for YouTube automation is a game changer. The first step to creating a faceless YouTube automation channel using AI is to decide on a niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial because it determines the audience you'll attract, the type of content you'll create, and how much money you can make. Some of the most profitable faceless YouTube niches include finance, technology, health, motivation, and educational content. AI-powered tools can help you analyze trending topics within your chosen niche. Websites like Google Trends, Answer the Public, and AI-powered content research platforms can suggest high-demand topics with low competition, giving you an advantage in the YouTube algorithm. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to generate video ideas and write engaging scripts using AI. AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and WriteSonic can help you generate video scripts quickly. All you need to do is input a topic or keyword, and these tools will generate a well-structured script for you. AI-generated scripts can be further refined to add personality, storytelling elements, and audience engagement hooks. Writing compelling. Video scripts is crucial because it keeps viewers engaged, increases watch time, and encourages YouTube's algorithm to recommend your videos to a wider audience. After you have your script, the next step is creating a professional voiceover. Without recording your own voice, AI-powered text-to-speech (TTS) software like 11 Labs, Murph AI, or Speechelo allows you to generate human-like voiceovers in different accents and tones. These tools produce high-quality audio that sounds natural and engaging, making it nearly impossible for viewers to tell that the voice is AI-generated. You can experiment with different AI voices to find the one that best fits your content style. Now that you have your script and voiceover, it's time to create visuals for your video. AI-powered video generation tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and InVideo can help you create professional-looking videos without the need for filming or complex editing. Pictory, for example, can automatically turn your script into a video by sourcing relevant stock footage, adding captions, and syncing the voiceover seamlessly. Synthesia allows you to create AI-generated avatar videos, where an AI-generated presenter speaks your script, making it perfect for explainer videos or educational content. If you prefer a more personalized approach, you can use AI image and animation tools like Canva's AI features, Runway ML, or DID to create custom graphics, animations, or AI-generated images for your videos. Combining AI visuals with stock footage from free resources like Pexels and Pixabay can make your videos more visually appealing. Additionally, AI-powered video editing tools like Descript or Capwing can help you refine your content by automatically removing filler words, adding subtitles, and enhancing video quality with minimal effort. The final step before publishing your video is optimizing it for YouTube's algorithm. AI can assist with keyword research, title generation, and thumbnail creation to maximize click-through rates. Tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy use AI to suggest high-ranking keywords, generate compelling video titles, and analyze your competition. AI-powered thumbnail generators, such as Canva's AI or Thumbnail Blaster, help you create eye-catching thumbnails that attract more viewers. Since YouTube's algorithm prioritizes watch time and engagement, adding AI-generated subtitles and captions can also increase accessibility and audience retention. Once your video is optimized and uploaded, AI can also help with promoting and growing your channel. AI-based social media scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer can automate your content sharing across multiple platforms. Chatbots and AI engagement tools can help respond to comments, analyze audience behavior, and provide insights into what type of content performs best. Additionally, AI-powered monetization tools can help you track revenue opportunities, such as affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and YouTube's AdSense earnings. AI not only makes YouTube automation easier, but also more scalable by automating repetitive tasks like script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and SEO optimization. You can produce more content in less time. Many successful YouTube automation channels use AI to publish multiple videos per week, increasing their chances of going viral and growing their audience faster. Whether you want to create motivational videos, documentary-style content, tech reviews, or explainer videos, AI can help you build a profitable faceless YouTube channel without needing expensive resources or a large team. The future of AI in content creation is evolving rapidly, and those who leverage these tools early have a significant advantage. With the ability to automate nearly every aspect of YouTube video production, AI allows creators to focus on strategy, branding, and monetization rather than spending hours on editing and scripting. If you're serious about building a faceless YouTube automation channel, now is the perfect time to start. By combining AI tools effectively, you can create high-quality, engaging content consistently and establish a passive income stream through YouTube automation. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to explore AI-powered tools and experiment with different approaches to find what works best for your channel. The possibilities with AI are endless, and with the right strategies, you can turn your faceless YouTube channel into a successful online business.